anything big is daunting. Anything big is hard to comprehend for many of us. And, it can be 100,000, it can be 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, or 1 billion. But if you break it down into chunks that can be realistic, they don't become distant and discouraging. Kasi big goals can be distant. And because it's really that far, we get frustrated. But what if you bring it down to something manageable, like 100,000? What does that mean? Hitting 2,100 a week. So in a year, you get 100,000. If you do it this way, what happens? It's believable. We will track our progress weekly, not annually, because sometimes when it's too long, we miss out on the entire picture. And again, very important, intermediate goals. As we hit our big financial goals, very important yung intermediate goals. And I mentioned that earlier. For the ladies, if that bag is really important to you, let us put it in your plans. An intermediate goal, which means in X number of years, you're going to buy that bag of your dreams. Men, is it the shoe? Is it the watch? Let's do it. Why? Because when you're wearing the watch and you're wearing the bag, it changes you. You're excited, you're inspired, you're moving forward with confidence because you enjoy what you're doing. If this journey will be a sacrifice for you, if you're scrimping on yourself and your loved ones, that sacrifice might not be good at the tail end of this. And it's going to be very difficult because you grudgingly and slowly take each day out of your life that you don't enjoy. Just imagine, you get called by the Lord tomorrow. What will we put in your grave? Ano ilalagay natin sa lapid mo? Here lies someone who wants to be happy tomorrow. Sakit dun, di ba? Pinaghirapan mo, tapos hindi mo pa na-enjoy, natigo ka na. Oh. So what does that mean? You enjoy it every single day. Your simple pleasures. But be responsible. As I've said, get that watch in a year or 3 years, get that bag. But that's part of the plan.